Okay, now we're
Coming to
going
the
to
fun
move to a
part.
small fun piece, a quick fun piece.
Okay.
Sir, I'm going to ask you 5 questions. I want a quick answer for each.
I hope I can do this
One
now.
line
Yeah.
or one word.
Okay.
That's the thing,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
So, what's the first idea which comes to you when you talk about Kerala,
Nature and beautiful.
right? What is the first word which comes to you about sustainability and IIM
I
Bangalore?
think the master classes that we have worked together and collaborated to bring something very different.
All right. What is the first word which comes to you about net zero?
Makes me a differentiator.
What is the first thing which comes to you about melting glaciers?
Breaks my heart, and I honestly, I think that was my turning point to move towards conscious living.
One book or podcast you would recommend your listeners to read?
I think it's Ecotopia by Dr. Callan Back. I think in the 70s, he would have thought of something at that point which is very relevant at today. So that's inspired me to the fact that, 20 years later, my customers should come back and say, hey, Sarah, this was a well thought design and well executed, development.
What would be the one thing you'll tell developers to start thinking about?
Okay. So I think from my experience, the myth of sustainability being a cost factor, and a lot of people, the fear of the unknown, right? That is actually stopping a lot of people, not realizing that I think we have to be future proof, we have to be future ready. And India in the next, 10 years, we're going to, or next few years, we're going to touch 7 trillion. So the kind of development that is going to happen is massive. And therefore, we definitely want people to start at the earliest. And there is a movement in CREDA itself. A lot of us have moved towards this kind of movement. Until and unless you have future-proof buildings and future-proof steps that are going to protect the tenants who are going to live there and for the people, um, the world's going to head to a better place.
In the big picture, as she said, it's a 7 trillion from a, she gave a very good developer number. And I'll tell you that real estate industry is close to 40% of the greenhouse gases emitted in the world today is from buildings. And so focusing on buildings at design stage is the only way India is going to meet its 2040, 2070 goals. And developers like Trine Holdings and leaders like Sarah are great examples where you can do that without ever compromising on your business value. I'm sure you can look up and you can talk to her. She'll tell you about how it has added business value rather than, been any detrimental to it.